Fontana. Good morning, Cameron.
Good morning, Adam and Maria and Phil. Well, we are warming our hearts with some Buckeye love this morning, and we are here at one of the greatest tailgates here on campus, the Cletus Fest. And with me is one of the founders, Lanton. How early did you guys get here this morning?
We got here about 6 a.m. to start setting up for the day.
Wow, and you said earlier you even started to get your territory earlier on.
Yeah, on Thursday we come down and usually set up a couple tent frames to kind of stake out our area. Came down yesterday, did a little bit more, and then we get here at 6 to set the full show up.
Wow, now tell me, how did Cletus Fest start? I mean, you're an alumni, correct?
Yes, I'm an alumni from the class of '87, and we started tailgating in 1993. And after a couple years of tailgating, we decided we needed a name and a logo, and so we decided to name it Cletus after
Now, who's Cletus?
Cletus is Brutus's younger brother.
Look it.
Who was from the comic strip Pot Shots that was written and illustrated by Scott Zellman from 1985 to 1989 at Ohio State in the Lantern. And that happened to be a time when a couple of us were students here, and we thought Cletus was a great descriptor of us because he was a Buckeye who never quite matured.
He never matured like many of us, and as you can see, it looks like he almost has gelled, spiked hair. I didn't even know Brutus had a little brother named Cletus. Now, you guys have tons of stuff going on today. You're cooking some food, right?
Oh, yeah. We're getting ready to cook breakfast as soon as we get set up. And then actually later tonight is Turkey Fest. It's our annual Turkey Fest. And one of our friends comes every year and fixes a full turkey dinner for us.
Wow. So
We're excited about that.
Oh, I'm very excited. When it's involving food, that's when I get very excited. And coming up next year in about 20-25 minutes, we're going to take a look at some very special pancakes.
That's right.
Just found right here at Cletus Fest. Don't go anywhere. We're keeping spirits warm. OH!
I-O!
OH!
I-O!
Here on campus. Stay warm in the studio. Back to you guys.